Okay, so, this is mail time number 2. I'm wearing 2 of my new gifts. If you don't recognize, a Goldie! Oh my god, I got a Goldie from Ellie's boss. Shout out! Oh my god, thank you so much. And this, whatever this is right here. I have no idea what it is. Thank you, Janella Vibes. This is me, right here. This is me. So, there's no need to say thank you to myself, because I already know I get to that. Thank you, Funnies, which is my friend Megan, which is Nova Vibes. Thank you. That's my younger cousin named Jacob. That's me again. Thank you. This is one of her giveaways for not coming on for like a long time, for like 3 months for not coming on. So she did this big giveaway, and I won this. Thank you. Thank you, Funny Girl. Thank you, Nova Vibes. See that other girl? Funnies. This is her main account. Nova. That's my friend Megan. Shout out to $, Funny Girl, $. Shout out to Lunar Black Widow. Shout out to Cute Baby Bro. I know I'm sitting like this, but ooh, is that another giveaway? If it is. Oh my. Bruh, that girl got a Goldie. Bruh. Please say I get it. Please, God. Please, please, please. What do I have to do to get it? Why do people do this? 4 out of 0 likes. Hold on. Okay. I will tell her. I'm her friend. Sharing with your friends, but not all of them. Share with your friends. Not all my friends. Just my friends, you know. Seriously? Are you serious? Well, whatever. Back into the giveaway. That's me. That's me. So, you know, whatever. That's me. Thank you, Funnies. See this thing? I have no idea what it is. But it's pretty. Thank you, Funnies. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Avalon Loves Food. Shout out to her. And this right here, whatever this is. Mail time? I just did mail time. Recording! I'm recording! Does anyone care? I look so ugly right now. And thank you, Funnies. Again. I guess that was kind of a small giveaway. Usually that's really big. I mean, mail time. Have I done the same giveaway this time? Now, what I'm going to do is change my outfit to one of my new items. Which, I already know which one I'm going to be wearing. I'm going to be wearing this. I don't... I'm gonna be wearing this. Take this off. Okay, let's... Why do I gotta be like this? Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, you know, I look so cute. I always look cute. I'm so cute. Cute. I'm gonna be wearing this. I don't know. It just looks pretty to me. Looks pretty. Well, that's what I'm gonna be wearing. I know. I look kind of ugly, and I'm stuttering. And as you can see, there's like a light yellow. It's like the gold, and then the light yellow here. Right there, you know. I didn't know that it had two colors. I thought it only had one color, so... Oh, wait, this is not what I wanted to wear. I'm so dumb. I can't even remember what I wanted to wear. This will take forever to look for, though. But you know, I only have 15 minutes. But right now, I have, you know, about only 5 minutes to look for it. But I'm pretty sure I'd find it. Like in about 3, 2, 1. I still don't see it. 0. Oh, it's not as pretty as I thought. Well, I'm gifting this to my main account. I mean, my backup account, because, you know me. I'm gonna be doing the rare thing. Gifting it to my rare thing, but even I do look kind of pretty. Even messy ugly. Still, nice touch, I guess. Oh. I need a headband. I look ugly without a headband. 2017 birthday. I really do need a headband. I already know what this is going to be called. It's going to be called... Let me think of the name. The name of this is going to be called giveaway. I mean, ugh. Are you serious? Mail time. 2. Siri? I don't care if it's 2019. Just deal with it. I look ugly. Well, I guess bye, guys. I know my background is a mess, like my leaves. Okay, so I never got to finish what I was saying, but yeah. Sorry, my room was like messy, cause when I like moved my laptop around, like you could see the background kind of like a bit. But yeah, I just really don't feel like cleaning. I'm too lazy to. So I guess that's it. Bye. Wait, where is it? Where's my camera? Trying to go in front of my camera. Bye. Bye.